In this video, I'll guide you through how to use ClickUp for team management, focusing on the Teams Hub so you can keep a clear real-time view of what your team is doing. Let's start with where to find it. On the far left side of your ClickUp workspace, you'll see the main sidebar. This is where you normally access your spaces, tasks, dashboards, and other tools. In that same area, you'll find the Teams Hub. Go ahead and click on it to open a dedicated space designed specifically for managing your team activity. Once the Teams Hub opens, you'll notice it feels a bit like an internet-style dashboard. The idea here is that instead of jumping between multiple views and lists, you get a unified, real-time overview of everything happening across your team. Think of it as your command center for collaboration and monitoring progress. One of the first things you'll see is a set of channels or streams of activity. These channels represent different areas of work or communication inside your team. As updates come in, you'll be able to see them in real time without needing to refresh or dig into individual tasks. This is particularly useful when you're coordinating on time-sensitive projects or when multiple team members are making changes at the same time. As you explore these channels, pay attention to how updates are displayed. You might see new tasks being created, statuses being changed, comments added, or due dates updated. The benefit of having this all in one place is that you can quickly spot bottlenecks, catch important changes as they happen, and respond right away if something needs your attention. Instead of searching through notifications, the Teams Hub surfaces what's happening in an organized, glanceable way. Alongside these updates, the Teams Hub also gives you analytics that help you understand overall progress. Here you can see how your team is performing over time, where work is concentrated, and whether you're on track. These analytics are especially helpful for team leads or project managers who need a quick health check on their projects without pulling separate reports. As you look at the analytics, focus on trends rather than just single data points. For example, if you notice that certain types of tasks are consistently getting stuck, that may be a sign to adjust priorities or redistribute workload. If you see a spike in completed tasks, that might indicate a successful sprint or a strong push before a deadline. Using these visuals to guide your decisions will make your team management more proactive and less reactive. Another helpful piece of the Teams Hub is the presence indicator that shows who is currently online. You can quickly see which teammates are active in ClickUp at that moment. This can be really useful when you need a fast answer, want to coordinate live on a task, or decide whether to schedule a quick call or leave an asynchronous comment instead. As you work with your team, get into the habit of checking the Teams Hub at the start and end of your day. At the start, use it to understand what's in motion and where your attention is needed most. At the end, review what has changed, what has been completed, and what might require follow-up tomorrow. Over time, this will become your go-to place for a clear picture of team activity. That's the core of how to use the Teams Hub in ClickUp for team management. Access it from the left sidebar, use the real-time channels to stay on top of updates, rely on the analytics to understand progress, and check who's online when you need quick collaboration.